Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussie's Group. I'm Malcolm, your PT coach. And friends, today I am very happy to have with me Tejas. Tejas is from India and he recently took PT academic test for the first time in his life. And believe me or not, he has got a score of perfect 90. A perfect 90 means a score of 90 each. 90 in speaking, writing, reading and listening, which is fantastic. So Tejas, many congratulations firstly.
Thank
and
you,
if you could just give a brief introduction to the viewers, please.
Hello everybody, my name is Tejas. I'm from Bangalore, India. I have about 7 years of work experience and then I'm currently pursuing my masters here in Victoria University. I wanted to take up PTE and then that's how I met Malcolm and took up the training course with him.
Right. Tejas, I know that you're excellent with your English and even before friends, Tejas has taken IELTS and in IELTS also he has scored 8.5, which is too good a score to be true, but he has got 8.5 overall, but I think writing was the
Yeah,
issue.
as I discussed in the initial parts of a class, so yes, writing was a little bit, not exactly difficult, but
No.
not a scoring portion
Yes,
in IELTS. Yeah.
that's right. So according to you, like which test is easier, IELTS or PT, or what is the difference like?
PT is definitely a lot more easier
Right.
to work with, and I think the main difference is you don't really have human interaction in PT, so I think it'll be a whole lot easier for people to achieve the required score in PT.
Right.
Yeah.
And since you've got 19 speaking also, like many people are a bit afraid or skeptical about speaking. Do you think it's difficult at all?
Well, it isn't actually that difficult. It is not difficult at all.
Right.
And especially after attending the class, it was a whole lot easier for me. It is just to understand the expectation and the requirement of the PT,
Right.
the requirements. So it was not difficult at all to sum it up here.
That's right. And you just attended the 2 weeks class session. So
Yeah.
how was your coaching experience, if you could share?
Like anybody else who would come in, I was a little skeptic. I was wondering, what is it that this person's going to teach me in English in 2 weeks? But then you first need to understand that you're not here to learn English.
That's true,
So
yeah.
you're here to understand how the test works and what is it that you need to do. So you cannot improve or not improve your English in 2 weeks.
Right, that's
but you can
true.
always improve your skills
That's
that require for the test in 2 weeks. So I think that's where Malcolm comes into picture, and then he really knows his skills. So
you.
that was really wonderful, that experience. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And I'd also like to ask you another thing, that how was your experience with pttutorials.com? How did those tests, if at all, they helped you for the real test?
Most of the times whenever I take up exams or tests, I always believe that you need to take up mock tests or
Right.
exams beforehand because it'll put you in that exam mode.
Right.
So the PT study, that material really helped me out because it more or less was like what PT is.
Right.
So it helped me out a lot. So I took up a couple of mock tests
Right.
and it really helped me out. Yeah.
Thank you. And last but not the least, would you like to recommend Aussies to other viewers who are watching this video right now?
Well, I would definitely recommend because it is not just because I got a score. It is the requirement or the expectation that I had when I walked in. So
Right.
all of that was answered and all of that was addressed. So that is the reason I would recommend the primary reason. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Tejas, for your candid feedback. And since he's in IT, nowadays the requirement is pretty high, so he had to get 8. He, as in anyone nowadays in IT, accounting or any profession, unfortunately in Australia, if you want your PR, you need to get 20 visa points, which he fantastically aced in his first attempt. And just as a small token of our appreciation, this for you, Tejas. Many congratulations to you, and
Thank you,
just a
Malcolm.
small
Thank you
gift
so
from
much.
Aussie's Group.
Yep. Thank you.
So friends, what are you waiting for? If Tejas can do it, so can you. Whatever your target score is, be it 6, 7, 8 or 9, you can definitely come to us. We'll try our best to help you get that target score, to get 20 visa points for PR. So once again, many congratulations, Tejas. And friends, thank you for viewing the video. Hope you have a great time. Think PT, think Aussies. Thank you.
Thank you.